To create an appointment at the BYU Research and Writing Center, first go to our website, rwc.byu.edu. That will take you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down until you reach the Schedule an Appointment button. Once you click this button, you'll need to sign in with your NetID and password. If you haven't done so before, the system will prompt you to create a new RWC account. Just fill in the information like your first name, last name, and BYU NetID. When you arrive at this question, please select the answer that best describes your situation. Choose BYU Provo campus student if you are an undergraduate or graduate student, and choose non-BYU student if you are applying to BYU and would like help on your application, if you're a community member, or if you are a student at the BYU ELC. Indicate your class standing, the college your major is in, if you have a major, and if English is your first language, or you can also select prefer not to answer. Scroll down to the bottom here and click Create Account. Next, you'll be taken to our scheduler, a screen that looks like this. To use the scheduler, first choose your preferred appointment date and your preferred appointment time from the drop-down menu. If there's a specific tutor you want to work with, select their name from the preferred staff or resource menu. Otherwise, you can leave that blank on any available. If you're looking for help finding sources or doing other basic research, then select Research Consultation from this drop-down menu. If you're looking for help editing, revising, brainstorming, or otherwise writing your paper, select Writing Consultation. If you're a graduate student and you want to work specifically with a graduate tutor, select Writing Consultation for graduate students. Once all of that information is filled out, go ahead and click this Find Appointments box. You'll next be taken to a page like this where you can select the appointment with the tutor that best meets your needs by clicking this Reserve button here. The default is a half-hour-long appointment, but if you'd prefer an hour-long appointment, you can come up and click this button to extend your appointment time. Next, you can choose your appointment format. Schedule a face-to-face appointment if you plan to come to the Research and Writing Center located in the BYU Library. If you prefer a Zoom appointment, go ahead and toggle this button to schedule an online appointment. Next, fill out these boxes with your appointment details. Include your course name number, the name of your instructor, what your assignment is, the due date, and a few things that you hope your tutor will help you with in this session. Finally, hit this button here to create the appointment. If you prefer a slightly different way to schedule your appointment, you can go over here to this Area Tools box and select View Calendar Display. That will take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and scroll down to apply all the same filters, choosing the name of a specific tutor if that's something you want to do, selecting Research Writing or Writing Consultation for graduate students, and then scroll down to view our calendar. Over here on the left, you'll see the date of the appointment and the names of the tutors who are offering appointments on that day. Here you'll see the times the appointments are available. You can scroll down to see all of the days in a given week, starting with today's date. And you can click any white box to reserve the appointment. To schedule an appointment really far in advance using the calendar display, come up here to the date box and select the day of the appointment that you want to schedule. Maybe, for example, you know that you have a huge paper due at the very end of the semester and you want to schedule an appointment with a writing consultant. You can go ahead and select that date and then come to the calendar display here to find an appointment with a tutor at a time that works for you. If you chose to schedule an online appointment, an email will be sent to your BYU email address that looks like this. Within this email, there will be a link that you can click at the time of your appointment that will open up a Zoom window so that you can have your appointment online with your consultant. Alternatively, you can log back into your RWC account and come up here to the My Appointments button where you'll see the appointments that you've scheduled. Select the appointment and then click Start or Join Online Consultation to open the Zoom window and access your online appointment. And that's everything. Now that you know how to schedule a Research and Writing Center appointment, we hope to see you soon at the RWC.